Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We're going to keep this job lead short, sweet, and to the point. The links to this page, if you want to put that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from CVS Health. They are hiring a claims processing representative. This is fully remote for the United States. Now, they're looking for someone to join their fast-paced claims department. As a claims processor, you're going to be responsible for accurate and efficient adjudication of paper claims in the electronic image in a production environment. So you're going to be processing and adjudicating commercial paper claims. You'll maintain integrity of the claims receipts in accordance with the standard claims operating and adjudicating procedures. You'll accurately resolve pending claims using state and federal regulations for the specific health plan or insurance plan criteria. You'll work with turnaround times to meet performance guarantees. You will be having to meet productivity and quality or accuracy standards, and you may occasionally have to pick up the phone and reach out to different pharmacies by phone to request information that may be missing for the claims submission. So you're basically making sure that you have everything on the claim that you need to bill it to the patient's insurance to collect reimbursement for CVS. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $27.90 an hour. Now, as far as what they're looking for, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 1 year of claims experience and 1 year of experience using those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, Outlook for email. Now, they do have some other preferred qualifications that is not required, including somebody who has strong typing skills and someone who can be a multitasker and be very organized. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.